Why should you upgrade from your rubber OEM lines to a Hosetechnik steel braided set? Hiya, my name's Ryan. I'm the manager here at Hosetechnik, and Hosetechnik is the sister company of the Forge Motorsport. In Hosetechnik, we make brake lines or fluid transfer lines for many different applications that you might need. Our brake lines are Teflon or PTFE coated lines. They're stainless steel woven and they've got a PVC outer, and they can come in a multitude of different colours. The fittings are stainless steel fittings as well, and we have multiple threads and male and female fittings, different size banjos, and we can manipulate the threads to suit any application that you might need. We also have a couple of specialist fittings for motorbikes particularly, and anything else that might need them. We also have a centre banjo as well. We've also got multiple different line locators as well for many different applications. They can be tested with up to pressures of 3,500 psi. And when on the car, they can withstand pressures from up to 321 bar. Why should you upgrade from your rubber OEM lines to a Hosetechnik steel braided set? One of the reasons are they eliminate erosion. Another reason is if you're out on track or pushing the car to its limit, it can reduce the possibility of the rubber OEM lines swelling. Benefits of being part of the Forge Motorsport group is that when we're developing new parts for the car, Hosetechnik get to jump in and recreate the brake lines to match the standard OE ones that are on there. And we will then cut the lines to match the same length as already on the car. What we've got here is I've got a length of our brake hose. I've got a female fitting which has got an M10 by 1 thread with our small seat insert. We've got our SS106 accreditation tags. We've got a ferrule each end and then a 10mm banjo, and also comes with our Hosetechnik logo tag. These are the fundamentals of any brake line that we would make. So once I'm comfortable with all of our fittings, at this point I will start to assemble the line. I will ensure the line is rounded off, and then we've got our cable stripper here, our hydraulic cable stripper, which will then at this point strip the top layer of PVC coating from the line. And then we add the ferrule, and then we will flare out the PTFE inner so our banjo can slide in nicely. Now at this point we've got the banjo in, the ferrule's on, and I will then crimp the ferrule onto the brake line. As you can see, we have 8 points of contact with our crimping machine, so that will secure a tight and pressure safe fit. We will then assemble the rest of the brake line. Now that I've completed doing the heat shrink part, these brake lines are ready for testing. Okay, so now we've got our brake line pressure tester, 2 different sizes. This side is just to hold the pressure in, and this side will shoot brake fluid through the line up to 3,500 psi. So with each line, we mount them into place, and we will screw this one down to this point. He's locked in place. And the next fitting will also get locked into place. Now both fittings are locked into place. We'll go ahead and shoot some brake fluid through the line just to make sure it holds pressure. As you can see, the clock is holding the pressure. That means the line is sealed and is safe for use. And then at this point, we'll then just release the pressure, and then we know that we can release the levers. So now all I will do is shoot a little bit of air from one of our air lines through the line, just to ensure there's no brake fluid left inside from testing. Once the lines have been tested and the covers are on, they are then ready for packaging. One of the other services we can offer here at Hosetechnik is if you need a line desperately, If it's failed an MOT or you've got a specific application you need, be it a longer bike line or anything like that, we're able to make lines while you wait. If you come down, have a chat, and hopefully we can get the line sorted for you while you wait. So now we've got our lines made, tested and packaged. These lines are ready to go on the way to the customer. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.